Hi everybody, welcome. Oh, I fell off the seat. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. And today I went into the range and I could not believe what I saw in there. I found this Kingfisher. Now I love Kingfishers very dearly, and I never thought they'd do a Kingfisher. And wow, just look at the colours in this. A lime green. This is by that Fabulous Art Studio company, and it's sitting on some leaves. So let's sorry, I'm a bit worn out because I'm just sat down and I'll get worn out very quick. So I wanted to film it before obviously the sun goes to bed. Yeah, I had to have it. They have got the tiger ones there, but I didn't pick them up because I just buy so many tigers. So for me, they're not really doing it for me. And yeah, look at that, absolutely fabulous. And look, can't wait to get into this. Oh look, they've took the cellophane off. Wow, okay, fabulous. So 2 bags, baggies. You got your little screws there. That's interesting, they're normally put into there. So wow, another bit of a change they've done there. Let's take a look at what we've got on this gorge. Oh my god, look at that. Oh wow, I bet you've not seen this one, Angela. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, this is gonna be a beauty. Look at all that colour block. Oh wow, cool. That's gonna fly, isn't it? Because you've got all colour block here, you've got all it down here in this gorgeous deep blue. Oh, that is going to be a beautiful one. Now, I'm not sure if this is on the website at the moment, because when I checked the other day, I normally check before I go, because I wanted to do a click and collect, but most of the stuff I want were out of stock, so I had to do a shop visit instead, and you know, buy it off the shelf where I would normally click and collect it. And let's take a look. Oh my god, I can't get over this. Look at these drills. They're going to be the colour block pits. But these are the drills, as you can see. You've got yourself some peachy ones, a green, another green, a couple of yellowy sort of colours, and then another green. Look at that. This is a stunning colour. Wow, gorgeous. A blue, a light blue, another blue, a dark blue, and a purple. Now, the other thing that I got, oh, have we got, what are these ones? Is that part of this set? I don't know. They seem to be with it, so normally they're all connected, but there's our other colours as well. But oh my god, look at that. This was $4.99. Absolutely, I would recommend this. This is a stunning painting. Now, the other thing I needed to get some more Art Studio boxes, and they've been out of stock for a couple of weeks now. So they are saying that they're available for home delivery, but because I work, it's difficult to order things when I have to work all week. So that's why I tend to do click and collect. So yeah, they've got none of the bags in stock. All the boxes are gone. So I did manage to find, because I want the Jiffy the bubble mailers, but they're all out of stock. But I did manage to find these, and I'm sure that's the same colour bag that you know, that one that I unboxed with the honey bee gnome. That seller used this sort of packaging, so I think that's what colour that is. But look at that, pink marlin bags. Now, they're not quite pink, but I would say that's more like a lilac-y colour than it is a pink. But I've never had these before, but they're lovely small ones. And I use, I sell things that fit these type of bags, so I like to have bags of all different sizes. The only problem is they don't do the mixed ones, so you've got 50 all of the same one. So I picked some of them up. They did have another size, but I don't need 30 times 40 bags at the moment. I've got loads in stock. So, but anyway, if you want to get what you've seen, put the link in the description of the video. But this is going to be a beauty once done. I think this is absolutely stunning. So yeah, I'm going to pop that back in the box because I don't want to match the jewels up. But all this time I've been saying I really would love to do a Kingfisher. See, they're good at feedback because they listen to their customers, and it's nice that they've bring out a Kingfisher, because we get so many lions, tigers, owls, leopards, and this is something different. But what a beautiful, beautiful painting. So as I say, I'll put the links in for this, and if you're a vintage seller or a Blitsy seller like me, I'll put the link in for them as well. I normally get my bags from either Temu or Stram on TikTok. It's a company called Stram. But yeah, wherever you can get your mailing bags, get them. They do black ones as well, but I think black's very depressing, so I don't get black bags. If you're going to send someone a parcel, you want to give them a nice bright coloured bag. So yeah, it picks them up, because you never know when you might sell something. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you want to get something. If you want to get these links in the description of the video. I'll see you on Monday for the next Whip and Chat. There's no live this weekend because the schedule's gone a bit out of sync, so there's not a live stream this weekend. You've got an unboxing instead. There was gonna be, but because I found this, I thought I'd give you an unboxing instead. Anyway, have a lovely evening. Bye bye for now.